Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I heard some of you guys miss me. Thank you, I'm touched because I didn't upload video for quite some time, right? Okay guys, today this is a product review video. Okay, actually I got one company send me a Bikeplay, CarPlay. Actually, it's been quite some time. It's been, I think they already sent me like past few months, but due to I've been having, I got things to settle in my life, right? You guys, some of you guys know. So somehow I have to delay the video. At the same time also, last week I want to install it, but suddenly I realized they forgot to include the mount in the box, and they have to ship it to me, the mount also. The company is Aoocci, A-O-O-C-I. Actually, when they first approached me to collab, want me to test their product, I was, to be honest, I a bit hesitated because I already got Alien Rider on my bike. I cannot install it on my bike. So what happened, I thought, okay, I hold on for a while. Maybe if I were to buy a second bike, I can install it on my second bike. But until now, I still haven't bought it yet. Still only got my S-Max. What happened, I approached one of my good friend, old friend since secondary school days, Razak. He didn't want to be in the video because he's shy. I asked him if I can install it on his ADV 350, and he agreed. And now we at the car park. I hire Mr. Fadil Zek service. Fadil Zek is known to install electronic stuff on motorcycle. I use his service in the past. Even my previous X-Max, install Fortlight always with him. You can purchase product with him also. At the same time also, if you already have the product, you can ask him to install. He will charge you labor. So they are somewhere up there. Later I will go up. So today is a product review. Initially also another thing is, so in the first place I hesitate. I almost don't want to do this product review, but I think back, because I realized I got friends who interested in this Dashcam, Bikeplay, you know. But like in the current market, Alien Rider, Chigi, it's a bit too pricey. Some of them, they don't want to fork out like that $500, $600, $700, $800, you know. So when this company told me that their price is affordable, it's only 200 plus, I will double confirm the price later in the description or in this video. So I said, okay, this might be for somebody who don't want to spend that much on Bikeplay. Because this Bikeplay is complete, guys. Usually cheap CarPlay only come dashcam and the screen itself, but this one additional got TPMS. So for the price, I think it's quite worth it. But we will test the system later. I want to know how the software, the system, everything, is it like fluid, smooth or not. Also the dashcam quality, we'll take a look later. I see you guys later. Okay guys, so this is the item. Aoocci C6 series motorcycle CarPlay screen. It comes with the device itself, the screen, dashcam camera, front and back, and of course remote control. And the good thing about this, there's TPMS. Some other cheap models doesn't come with TPMS. They only come with the screen, the remote, the camera. TPMS is always like optional, but this one come all together. So I will mention the price later, guys. Okay guys, this is I installed it on my friend ADV 350 because I cannot install on my S-Max. My S-Max already got Alien Rider. This is one of the reasons also why this video is delayed. Other than the other day also, they forgot to include the mount to install, so delay. And by the way, I hired the service of Mr. Fadil Zek. Later, anybody interested to use his service, I will try to insert his carousel or his Facebook later. I've been using his service for quite long already. I don't want to disturb him while he's working. Those who, especially S-Max rider, usually know him. He's been installing my S-Max, I think since my first S-Max 2020. Last time I installed Fortlight all with him. And now after some time, get to meet him again. This is the installation process. I think normal motorcycle might be easier, I think. Later I will record more. Yeah. By the way, my friend don't want to be inside the video because he said he camera shy lah. So never mind lah. Fadil, anybody interested? I can include your carousel lah, Dale lah. So Fadil like nice. He actually not feeling well today, but he kind enough to help me and my friend because we are running out of time actually to bring out this video. Yeah. Still on installation process, guys. Okay, guys, this is the device. Haven't installed yet. Now got problem. Screw drop inside. Yeah. Okay guys, finally installed already on my friend ADB 350. What I can say, I'm impressed with the interface, with the screen quality. Okay, it looks similar like Alien Rider. Okay, I was thinking, I mean, this company, they got to, since the price is low, right, they got to cut corner something. But from what I can see at the screen, definitely the screen is same quality as Alien Rider, just that it got bigger bezel lah. But I mean, as a resolution, it looks sharp and the layout also a bit same. Just now the only problem that we're having while installing is the TPMS, and happened that our rear tire TPMS valve, the battery inside we check is low lah, because this device has been with me since the past few months. So the front is still working. Now it's detecting 1.9 bar. You can change to PSI if you want. Bar is like KPA lah. The temperature unit also can change to Fahrenheit. Very similar like Alien Rider guys. Very similar. And the brightness also you can adjust. Quite bright the screen. And of course all the sounds you can adjust everything. And what impressed me also, another thing that impressed me just now, because after installing we check the camera, everything, it's very clear, the camera. I mean, for the price I believe this must be using Sony sensor also. This is a front. If you swipe some more, they show front and back. Swipe some more, just swap place, front and back. And there's something that this thing have my Alien Rider don't have, which I'm surprised. Speed. Earlier it was on mile per hour, so I changed in the setting, changed to kilometer per hour. So for those who like to see your speed, GPS speed, because I think this one got GPS built-in, while my Alien Rider I think got no GPS. I mean, less price, you get more. Surprising. The only thing that my Alien Rider have that this don't is the blind spot monitoring. This don't have blind spot monitoring. And also it's already started to record already. Okay, back to home. Okay, just now I already connected to my friend Android phone, Samsung phone. So currently instead of CarPlay, we're on Android Auto. Oh, can see my reflection. Okay, so this is on Android Auto. So basically, this is all the app that on my friend phone, Messenger, Google Map. It's not bad. For the price, it's actually quite worth it. In my opinion, you got because usually like some cheap one, no brand one on Shopee, it didn't come with TPMS, and it's also already like $200. And the resolution is good, the camera is good. Surprising, man. If I'm going to be picky, just at the bezel, the bezel can be more slicker like Alien Rider, but for the price, I think it's okay. My friend didn't use any music player, no Spotify, Apple Music or YouTube Music, so got radio here. Media call one. Okay, awesome. So as expected, it works fine. This is on it. You can got WhatsApp message. I went inside Waze. Okay, got phone, can call, got Telegram, WhatsApp, and I think you can edit it on your phone, which app you want it to be inside here. So basically, when you install this, I mean, if you already got Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, right, your phone can keep in the pocket already lah. No need to mount your phone already. Okay, later what I will show you guys next is the footage from the dash cam. From here I can see the quality is good, but later after I bring the file and edit it and publish it, we'll see later together lah how's the quality. And maybe later, because this is my friend bike, I cannot ride it. Maybe I will ask him to ride a pillion behind. I want to see the speed moving. I think it works. Okay, see you guys later. Okay guys, currently we are on the camera mode, on the video mode. I just want to see how's the video quality. It's currently on split screen. So far so good. I mean, we can see clearly. I'll zoom a bit. Yeah. Just that I think it would be nice if the screen is a bit less reflection. Other than that, it's good enough. Okay guys, just to update okay, we came back, we went for a drink and to monitor this device. Okay, now we changed the battery at the rear TPMS valve already. Okay, we changed battery, now can ready. The rear also now okay ready. So just now I was right, the battery flat. So it's not the valve issue. Okay, so far I can say I'm quite impressed with this thing, with this device, Aoocci. Surprisingly for the price, what they give, the components, the camera, the display is good. Yeah, it's been good. I mean, the camera quality also is good. I will insert the footage later from the SD card. And other than that guys, okay, if you guys are interested to get this, I will have a affiliate link on my description. Okay, then there will be discount also for you guys. Okay, later I will put more input on the device, what else that I need to input for you guys to know. Okay guys, just for fun okay, this is the device, Aoocci. Okay, this is my alien rider. Similar look very similar okay, impressive Okay guys, so basically the device, if you start your bike, it will appear the logo first, Aoocci first. This just now I forgot to include. Okay guys, other than that, I think I will close the vlog soon. And as I mentioned earlier, those interested to buy, I will put my affiliate link below with discount code. You guys can order. I think for the price 200 plus, I think it's worth it. Come with TPMS, come with the camera, everything. It's like fraction of the cost of Alien Rider and Chingy, definitely. A lot actually, a lot of difference. So yeah, I will insert the link. You guys can just click to purchase. But bear in mind, when the item arrives to you, you need to either install it yourself or bring to your favorite workshop to install, or you guys can try to contact Fadil Zek earlier, the one that installed for my friend. I will insert his carousel or his Facebook later, also in the description. So other than that, I think that should be all for now. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Also, I know some of you guys has been missing me. Okay, I will see you guys in my upcoming adventure, hopefully soon. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.